Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen hotel location is nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews on that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, facilities, and images, etc. Category 4. Room category 5. Room category 6. Six categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can also click the link provided in the description.